The cities are a huge mission field. More than 50% of the world's population live in urban areas. In Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States, a new church plant has been created. They are finding a new way to reach the unchurched. Pastor Joanne and her community are active in ministering to the city.
See, I believe God has called us to go into all the world, right? To share about His love and His grace and His mercy, and that includes the cities. And that's why we're going into the city, because there are people there that need to know who Jesus is as well.
Pastor Joanne named the new church plant DC Campus, standing for District Community. They aim to give people a loving family to show them who God is.
Well, we wanted to plant a church that would reach young professionals, a church that would reach those that were going to church. As we noticed that the number one issue here in Washington, D.C. is loneliness. People are lonely. We wanted to create a space, a safe space where they could come, know who God is and experience Him through our love and our kindness and our compassion. A space where they can ask questions and it's okay.
The District Community Church Plant has grown a large team passionate about reaching the city.
It's great that we're in the city because I feel like in the city it's needed more. There's more people, we can outreach better, and that's what Jesus did. You know, we're just spreading the love of God, His Word, so that anybody that comes through those doors will see Jesus through our church.
The team has already planned many creative ways to involve and support the community around them. A free exercise class on the National Mall was one of the first outreach activities they organized. Many people joined in and were curious to learn more about the new church. Since then, there have been many holiday dinners, birthday parties, and events to support families who live in the neighborhood around the church. All these new ideas have helped them succeed in their desire to make people feel the love of Jesus.
So I have this one friend who's actually part of our worship team now. I've known her for years. She's part of our family. And she had left the church for a while. I brought her here the first time because she has an amazing voice. She sang, church was over, we went back to my house, and she said that she felt at home, not just her, but her boyfriend who she brought, who doesn't come from a church background at all. They both felt at home, and now she's part of our worship leadership team, which is amazing. Her boyfriend's also serving on our AV team, so it's just things like that. Yeah, God working in everybody's lives, you know, seeing the blessings pour out in different ways in individual people's lives here at the church.
District Community has seen how Christ's method of ministry has transformed their small church plant. They have already had many baptisms and new believers join their community, but they want it to be much bigger than just them.
Here at District Community, we want to continue to grow because there's so many people that need to know and experience the love of Jesus. But not only grow in this space, we want to multiply. We want to create other campuses, other safe spaces where people can know Jesus. But not just safe spaces, become safe people. That wherever we are, they see Jesus in us, in our words, in our actions, in everything we do and say.
Please pray for the cities and church plants like District Community who are dedicated to reaching the huge mission field of the cities.